Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch someone's live on MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on the live option in the bottom section of your screen. Here, if you click on the options in the top section of your screen, then you can find various types of live according to your preference. So tap on the live that you prefer. So that is how you can watch someone's live on MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.